Know what the hottest and best cooking gadgets on Amazon are that you have to have in 2024. In the world of cooking, things are always changing. Using the most recent devices can greatly improve your cooking. That's why we've put together a list of the best cooking gadgets you can buy on Amazon. Each one offers to change the way you cook, prepare, and eat your food. This video will show you these top choices and how they combine cutting-edge technology with easy-to-use designs to make your cooking experience better. Number 15. Black Kitchen Faucet. The stylish and useful black kitchen faucet with a pull-down sprayer will make your kitchen look better. This modern faucet not only makes your kitchen look sleek and classy, but it's also useful for everyday work. The pull-down sprayer makes it simple to wash dishes, rinse veggies, or fill pots. This gives you options and saves time. It's made to last and be easy to use. The handle moves smoothly for precise water control, and the high arc spout gives you plenty of sink room. The black finish on the faucet is not only stylish, but it's also easy to clean and keep shining in your kitchen. If you're remodeling your kitchen or just want to replace your faucet, this black kitchen faucet with a pull-down sprayer is a great choice because it looks great, works well, and is easy to use. Number 14. Frankfurt Ring Mold Cake Pan. The flexible Frankfurt Ring Mold and Angel Cake Pan are great additions to your baking tools. They were made for passionate bakers who want their products to be perfect. The unique shape of the Frankfurt Ring mold makes it perfect for making traditional German cakes and savory foods that look great when they're done baking and when they're served. On the other hand, the Angel Cake Pan's tall, round shape and center tube make it perfect for making light and fluffy angel food cakes. It also does an excellent task of spreading heat evenly for a consistent bake. Both of these pans are made of high-quality, long-lasting materials that will make your baked goods come out easily. Number 13. Electric French Fry Cutter. The electric French fry cutter is a new and improved way to make your favorite fries. This state-of-the-art cooking gadget is made to make it easier to always make perfect French fries. The electric cutter makes it easy to cut potatoes into uniform forms, so the cooking is always the same, and the results are professional. You can quickly cut a lot of potatoes with this cutter because it has a strong motor and sharp, long-lasting blades. It's great for both home cooks and professional chefs. The design makes it easy to use, which makes it safe and effective with little work. The electric French fry cutter can be used for more than just potatoes. It can also be used for other veggies, giving you more options in the kitchen. It fits easily in any kitchen because it is small and has parts that are easy to clean. This electric French fry cutter will make it easy to make quick, even, and tasty home fries without having to chop them by hand. Number 12. Veggie Slicer Vegetable Cutter. Using the Veggie Slicer Vegetable Cutter will make cooking your favorite vegetable recipes quick and easy. This useful cooking gadget is made to make cutting vegetables into slices and dices a breeze. It can quickly cut through a wide range of veggies due to its sharp, precise blades, which saves your time and work in the kitchen. This cutter makes sure that all of your cuts are the same, so your food always looks good when you're cooking or serving it. The ergonomic form makes it safe and comfortable, and it lowers the risk of getting cuts. Besides being useful, the Veggie Slicer is also simple to clean and store, which makes it a useful addition to any kitchen. This veggie cutter is strong and can be used for many things. It's great for people who want to eat more vegetables without much trouble. You're one step closer to making meals that are healthy, tasty, and look great with this Veggie Slicer. Number 11. Scrub Daddy PowerPaste Bundle. The Scrub Daddy PowerPaste Bundle is a powerful pair of products that can easily remove even the hardest stains and grime. PowerPaste is an innovative, non-toxic cleaning paste that can easily clear stains, scuffs, and grime from a wide range of surfaces. It comes in this bundle. This is the best way to clean surfaces without damaging them. It goes well with the famous Scrub Daddy sponge, which has a tough, flex texture design that changes with water temperature. PowerPaste works well but is gentle, so it can be used in bathrooms, kitchens, and on many household things. Not only does it clean well, but the nice scent makes your spaces smell new every time you use it. This bundle is perfect for people who want to clean their things quickly and in an eco-friendly way. It promises always sparkling results. Number 10. Stylish Butter Dish with Lid. This stylish butter dish with lid will add a touch of class and usefulness to your kitchen. This dish is great for keeping butter on your counter or in the fridge because it keeps the butter fresh and easy to spread. The tight fit of the lid keeps the butter at the right consistency by keeping air and light out. This butter dish is stylish and made to last because it is made of strong materials. Standard butter sticks fit in it, which makes it a useful addition to any kitchen. The elegant but simple design goes with any style of decor, from classic to modern. This butter dish with a lid is more than just a place to store butter. It's a statement piece that blends style and function, making sure your butter is always ready to use in the best way. Number 9. LuoCoCo Cute Egg Separator. With the LuoCoCo Cute Egg Separator, baking and cooking will be more fun and a lot easier. This cute food gadget is made to easily separate egg whites from yolks, which will make cooking easier. It's wonderful for both adults and children because of its cute and fun design that adds a touch of magic to your kitchen. The materials used to make this egg separate are safe for food and will last a long time. It is also cute and easy to clean. It's very easy to use. Just crack an egg into the splitter and the white and yolk will automatically separate. The LuoCoCo Cute Egg Separator is a must-have for any home cook who loves to add a little fun and usefulness to their kitchen basics. It's great for baking cakes, making omelets, and making meringues. Number 8. Zulay Kitchen Premium Garlic Press Set. The Zulay Kitchen Premium Garlic Press Set is a must-have tool for anyone who loves garlic and wants to improve their cooking. This set is made to make pressing garlic easy, so you can get all of the taste and smell with little work. The strong garlic press is made from high-quality, long-lasting materials that will not break down easily over time. Because it's ergonomically made to be comfortable and effective, you can easily press garlic cloves without having to peel them first. The set also comes with a cleaning brush and a silicone garlic knife, which makes the process of getting ready and cleaning up as easy as possible. Whether you're a professional chef or a home cook, this garlic press set makes it easy and quick to add a burst of garlic flavor to your food. There's more to the Zulay Kitchen Premium Garlic Press Set than meets the eye. It's a kitchen friend that makes cooking easier and adds the rich flavor of fresh garlic to your food. Number 7. Crimpit Toasties. Crimpit Toasties are a great snack or breakfast food. To make them, butter Crimpit bread slices and add cheese. You can also add things like ham or tomatoes, which should be seasoned with salt and pepper. Put the sandwich together so that the oiled side of the bread is facing out. Grill it on medium-high heat until it's golden and crispy, flipping it once to make sure it cooks evenly. Serve hot, and if you want to add more taste, you can garnish with herbs. This recipe is very flexible and can be changed to suit different tastes by adding different fillings. It's great for a quick and full meal. Number 6. Zulay 4-Layer Rotating Kitchen Organizer. The Zulay 4-Layer Rotating Kitchen Organizer is a great way to store things in the kitchen that also saves room. With 4 rotating shelves, it makes all the things you store easy to get to and gives you great exposure, whether they are spices, condiments, or small jars. Each layer spins smoothly around the whole thing, so everything you need is only a spin away. The organizer is small and tall, so it can easily fit in places like closets or countertops that aren't very big. A useful addition to any kitchen, its sturdy build and beautiful design make it look good and work well. This organizer not only clears up space, but it also gives your kitchen a touch of modern efficiency. Number 5. Wall-mounted dustbin. The wall-mounted trash can is a useful and space-saving way to keep places clean, whether they are homes or businesses. Because it's meant to be mounted on walls, it makes the best use of floor space, which makes it perfect for bathrooms, kitchens, offices, and other small or crowded places. The trash can usually has a simple, sleek design that makes it easy to match with different types of interiors. Its simple design, which usually includes a lid that can be opened by hand or with a sensor, makes it clean and easy to use. This kind of trash can not only makes it easier to get rid of trash, but it also makes the area look better and more organized. Number 4. Walfos Silicone Trivet Mats. Walfos silicone trivet mats can be used in many ways and are important for keeping surfaces safe from heat and scratches. These mats are made from high-quality, food-grade silicone. They can handle heat, last a long time, and won't slip, so you can put hot pots, pans, or baking sheets on them right from the oven or stove. They can be used as pot holds, jar openers, or spoon rests because they are flexible. This gives them more uses. You can wash these trivet mats by hand or in the dishwasher, and then roll them up or hang them up to save room in your kitchen. These come in different colors and are not only useful, but they also add a stylish touch to any kitchen. Because they are well made and can be used for a long time, they are an eco-friendly option to heat protectors that are thrown away after one use. Number 3. Sink Colander Strainer Basket. The Sink Colander Strainer Basket is a useful cooking gadget that can be used for more than one thing. It is made to make preparing food faster and easier. This basket is made of strong, food-safe materials like stainless steel or BPA-free plastic, and it fits snugly over or inside most normal kitchen sinks. Its main job is to help you wash fruits and veggies and drain pasta or other boiled foods right in the sink, which keeps things clean and frees up counter space. The fine mesh or perforated form helps water drain quickly while catching smaller pieces of food. Some types can be expanded or collapsed to fit different sink sizes and make them easier to store. Handles are often part of the practical design to make it more stable and easy to use. This strainer basket not only makes things easier in the kitchen, but it also keeps things cleaner and more organized. Number 2. iBayam Kitchen Scissors. The iBayam kitchen scissors are a useful and important tool for any modern kitchen because they can easily and precisely do a number of different cooking jobs. Because they are made of high-quality stainless steel, these scissors are strong and won't rust, so they will last a long time and keep working well. The blades are very sharp and can easily cut through meat, veggies, poultry, fish, herbs, and even tough packaging. The ergonomic handles are comfy and won't slip. They're made to fit both right-handed and left-handed users, giving you a good grip for safe and effective cutting. Along with cutting, these gadgets can also open bottles and crack nuts, making them even more useful. Because they are dishwasher safe and easy to clean, the iBayam kitchen scissors are a useful and long-lasting addition to any kitchen. They make preparing food easier and improve the whole cooking experience. Number 1. Hamburger Press Patty Maker. The Hamburger Press Patty Maker is a useful cooking item that makes it easy to make burger patties that are all the same size and shape. It is made of long-lasting, food-safe materials and usually has a non-stick surface that makes it easy to remove the patties and clean up. The press usually has a base and a presser. When used together, they can make patties that are all the same thickness and shape, which makes cooking and eating better. Because the thickness can be changed, it can be tailored to individual tastes or unique recipes. This gadget is great for barbecue fans, home cooks, and anyone else who wants to make burgers at home that look like they came from a restaurant. The Hamburger Press Patty Maker not only saves time in the kitchen, but also makes homemade burgers taste better and look better. Grilling and cooking fans should have one. Best kitchen gadgets on Amazon. You must need in 2024. Part 2 is now over, and it's clear that each gadget we looked at has something unique that will make cooking better. These gadgets, like the stylish and useful Black Kitchen Faucet, the cutting-edge electric French fry cutter, the multi-purpose veggie slicer, and the cute LuoCoCo Cute Egg Separator, aren't just for your convenience. They're also meant to make your cooking more efficient, stylish, and fun. Remember that these gadgets are meant to improve your cooking skills and make your life easier, no matter if you're a professional chef or just like to cook at home. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get more reviews and news about the newest kitchen tech. Share this video with other food lovers and let us know what gadgets you found most interesting or can't wait to try.